Ian Blackford has ordered Boris Johnson to cough up £20 billion for Scotland, after plans for a bridge to Northern Ireland are rejected. The planned bridge was set to span from Northern Ireland to Scotland, bringing a road link between the two countries. The bridge has now been ruled out on the basis of the forecasted costs and engineering challenges which would come with the building of it. According to the Telegraph, Sir Peter Hendy deemed the project as not viable at the moment. A source said that Sir Peter found that the bridge would be technically very challenging at the moment. The source told the paper, "That's not to say it won't become viable at some point in the future, but at the moment it would be very, very difficult and expensive." The Department for Transport told the BBC, "We don't comment on speculation. The Union Connectivity Review will be published shortly." But Ian Blackford, leader of the Scottish National Party in the House of Commons, was fuming with the decision to cancel the Member of Parliament took to Twitter to blast the government for bringing an end to the plans for this bridge. Mr. Blackford tweeted, "Another broken promise from Westminster. If the bridge isn't going ahead, Scotland should get its fair share of the £20 billion investment we were promised, so we can spend it on worthwhile and deliverable transport projects in communities across Scotland." Twitter users jumped to the defense of Ian Blackford following his tweet about the bridge. @AW Troon tweeted, "Not a promise to be broken, Ian. Even the public knew this bridge was just another racket for pocketing tax."